Hello there and welcome back to Brainify TECH. In today's tutorial we're going to take a look at how to add 91 before number in Excel. We're talking phone numbers here, with 91 being the dialing code for India. You can of course use these methods for any dialing codes to prefix to any phone numbers in the world. If you're looking to copy your numbers and paste them into an SMS app, then we'll step you through this stage as well. We're going to take a look at the top 3 methods, so you can just choose which method you prefer. Make sure you watch the end of the first method to avoid its pitfalls. So let's crack on. The first method is the most popular and easiest method. You simply change the format of your cells to a custom type to add any 91 prefix that you want to your numbers. However, it does have some issues that we'll cover at the end of this custom format section, so make sure you watch that part before using this method. Okay, so we have a worksheet that we're going to add phone numbers into column A. Instead of using 10-digit numbers, we'll just use 4-digit ones for simplicity, but exactly the same processes apply to however many digits you use for your numbers. We need to add a custom format to the column first. To do this, select column A, right-click the column header, and from the shortcut menu that pops up, select Format Cells. Make sure you have the first tab selected, the Number tab, and select Custom from the category list. In the type input box at the top, delete anything that's in there and type in plus, 91, dash, and 4 zeros. The 4 zeros forced all entered numbers to display as 4 digits. Press OK. Now when we enter any numbers into column A, they'll automatically be formatted correctly. Select A2 and type in 1, 2, 3, 4 and press enter. In A3, type in 0, 1, 2, 3 and press enter. As you can see, everything looks good so far. We can select A2 to A3 and copy these numbers and then paste them into Notepad to see the result, as if we were pasting them into an SMS app. As you can see, everything looks good. Let's take a look at the first issue with this custom format method. We don't have any numbers entered as yet in column A, and we've already set column A format type to custom format. When you enter a number with less than 4 digits, then it will still be accepted, but the missing digits will be replaced with zeros at the start of the number. Let's select A2 and type in 1, 2 and press enter. As you can see, 2 zeros have been added to the start of the number. This might not be what you want. You may want to keep the number as 12 so that you can spot any data entry errors later on. By the way, if you select A3 and type in a 5-digit number such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and press enter, then you'll see that the full 5-digit number is entered and displayed. If we copy A2 to A3 and paste these numbers into Notepad, you can see the text values that you'll get. Let's move on to the second issue with this custom format method. If you previously changed the format of column A to text format and have already entered data, then when you change it to your custom format, the existing numbers won't change to the new format. Let's take a look at this. In column A, we have 2 4-digit numbers already entered, and the format of column A has already been set to text format. Let's just double check that. Select column A, right click, select Format Cells, and on the Number tab, we can see that text format is set on the category list. Whilst we're here, let's change the format of the column to custom format. Select Custom from the category list, delete the content of the type box, and type in our custom format of plus, 91, dash, followed by 4 zeros, and press OK. As you can see, the existing numbers don't update to the new format. If you type in new numbers, then they'll use the new format. Select A4 and type in 7896 and press enter. Or select A5 and type in 0123 and press enter. If we copy A2 to A5 and paste these numbers into Notepad, you can see the text values that you'll get. Okay, so now you know how to set custom formats and the main issues of using this method. The second method uses the concatenate function to prefix your numbers. If you're using an Excel version of 2019 or later, you'll also have the newer CONCAT function available for you to use, which you should do if you have it. If you're using a pre-2019 version of Excel, then just use concatenate. They'll both achieve the same result. We have a worksheet with the numbers already entered into column A. We're going to use the concatenate function in column B to add the 91 prefix. Before we jump in, we need to make sure that we set the format of column A to text. By default, it's set as general, which won't let you add in any numbers that start with a 0. Let's have a look. Select A5 and type in the number 0123 and press enter. Notice that Excel has stripped the leading 0 from the number that we entered, as it thinks we're entering a standard number. Phone numbers are not considered as numbers in the traditional sense of the word that we perform calculations on, like addition or subtraction, so phone numbers should always be stored as text. Let's fix this. Select column A, right click on the column heading and format cells. Select text from the category list and click OK. If we double click back into A5 and add in the leading 0 to the number and press enter, we can now see that the 0 stays there. Don't worry about the green flag in the corner of the cell. Excel is just warning us that we're entering this number looking value as text, which is what we want to do. Select A5, click down the warning icon drop down arrow and select ignore error. OK, let's move on to adding the 91 prefix. Select B2 and type in equals concatenate. Just double click on the concatenate function name in the list that pops up, or concat if it's available to you. We'll just select concatenate for demo purposes. Type in open double quotes plus 91 dash close the quotes, comma. We always need to wrap the prefix in double quotes to set it as a text string, and we separate each argument in a function with a comma. Select cell A2 with your mouse and press enter. We can see that B2 contains the number from A2 with the prefix of plus 91 dash. Just follow the same process for any specific prefix that you want. Let's select B2 and double click the fill handle to copy the function down to the cells below in column B. Let's select B2 to B5 and copy the cell content and paste it into Notepad. You can see the text values that you can paste into a SMS app. OK, so now you know how to add a 91 prefix to a number using the concatenate or concat function. The third method uses the ampersand symbol to prefix your numbers. We've already set column A to text format so that it accepts numbers that start with a 0 as well. Select B2 and type in equals open quotes plus 91 dash close quotes ampersand. Select cell A2 with your mouse and press enter. As you can see, the plus 91 dash prefix has been added correctly to the number from cell A2. Select B2 and double click the fill handle to copy the formula down. Again, you can amend the text in quotes in the formula to anything you want to prefix your number with. Select B2 to B5 and copy the cell content and paste it into Notepad. You can see the text values that you can paste into a SMS app. Now you know how to prefix numbers using the ampersand symbol in a formula. Okay, so that wraps up this tutorial. Now you know the different ways how to add 91 before number in Excel. If you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button below this video. If you'd like us to make any specific Excel videos, then let us know in the comments below. If you're interested in seeing more Excel videos from Brainify Tech, then please subscribe to our channel below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.